Marie Curie, a name synonymous with brilliance, perseverance, and the very dawn of the atomic age. Today, we explore the life of the first person to ever win 2 Nobel Prizes, condensing her epic journey into exactly 179 seconds. Born Maria Skłodowska in 1867 in Warsaw, her journey began in a country where women were barred from higher education. But Maria's ambition was undeterred by the walls built around her. In 1891, she moved to Paris, enrolling at the Sorbonne. Living on meager savings and often skipping meals, she dedicated every waking hour to mastering physics and mathematics. It was in Paris that she met Pierre Curie, a brilliant physicist. Their partnership would become one of the most significant in the history of science, a bond forged in curiosity and shared discovery. Working together in a leaky, drafty shed, they began investigating uranium rays. They processed tons of ore by hand, a grueling task that eventually led them to isolate 2 entirely new elements. Marie suspected that these rays came from the atom itself. Through backbreaking work, she isolated polonium and radium, expanding the map of the physical world forever. She coined the term radioactivity to describe this process, fundamentally shifting our understanding of matter and energy and challenging the scientific beliefs of the era. In 1903, their efforts were recognized. Marie became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, sharing the honor in physics with Pierre and Henri Becquerel, though she almost wasn't nominated. The world was fascinated. Radium was soon being used in medicine to treat tumors, marking the birth of modern radiotherapy, a treatment that still saves millions today. Tragedy struck in 1906 when Pierre was killed in a street accident. Heartbroken but resilient, Marie took over his teaching post, becoming the first female professor in the history of the Sorbonne. In 1911, she made history again, winning a second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry. She remains the only person to win Nobel Prizes in 2 different scientific fields. When World War I began, she developed mobile X-ray units known as Little Curies. She personally drove them to the front lines, ensuring surgeons could find shrapnel in wounded soldiers. After the war, she founded the Radium Institute, which became a world-renowned center for cancer research. She never patented her work, wanting science to belong to everyone. The invisible danger eventually took its toll. Marie passed away in 1934 from leukemia. Her notebooks remain radioactive today, a haunting reminder of the price she paid for her brilliance. She once said, "Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood." Marie Curie, a pioneer whose light will never fade. Thank you for joining us for this 179-second tribute.